Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maiya, aka MaiohMaiya. For the new subscribers and for the returning, what it do, girl? What's up? What's good?
Hey girl. Hey girl.
Okay, so today's video is all about hair, Fenty hair. Okay, I went to the event. Clearly, y'all saw that in the previous vlog. Okay. Though I did not see my Pisces sis Riri, she still blessed me with some beautiful products, and I wanted to share my reviews on them today with you guys. Truly, I only use Fenty and Fenty only. I did not mix it with any other products. So, other than some gel doesn't count because I put it on my edges. Yeah, we only use Fenty. Brianna, I just want to say thank you for the opportunity to inspire and bless us young women to continue with our entrepreneurship. This shit ain't easy. This shit is hard, but we making it work. And so I thank you for just being an inspiration and continuing to shine your light, because why not? If Riri did inspire me to do anything, it was to shine my light. So thank you very much. That's really it. Robin, Rihanna, Fenty. Clearly you can see I styled my hair in the Fenty scarf towards the end. Yeah, just because I felt like it's how my hair turned out. But if you want to see how we got here from here, then keep on watching. So I'm suffering severely from heat damage in the front parts of my hair. As you can clearly tell, I have a bob, so the back is shorter, much healthier, because of course we're not focusing as much heat as we are, or as much tension as we are in the front as we are in the back for ponytails, buns, whatever. So what we'll be doing today is focusing on the repairing portion of our hair. To do that, we are going to be using the good old Comeback Kid repairing treatment. Now it says it's instant damage. We're gonna see how instant it is. Okay, so clearly this is dirty hair, so I'm gonna go and wash my hair. We are only focusing on the styling portion for this video, and then for the Comeback Kid, this is to be applied soon after you wash your hair. You put it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then you wash it out. So let's go and wash this hair first. Okay, now that we have freshly washed hair, so let's see. Oh, okay, it's already open. Alright, so put this all over my head, especially on the front parts because these are the most damaged. It smells so good. I can't explain it. It smells like something I've smelled before. Like another product smells like this. I just don't know what. I think I know, but I might be wrong. I don't know. So we just put this in, we're gonna let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. It honestly has a lot of slip, I will say that. For this to be a treatment, it's really slippery, which I love because I like working through the kinks in my hair. I don't like products that just kind of like sit on top of the hair shaft. That just, to me, doesn't really mean it's working for me. I don't know, it's a texture thing, a feel thing, whatever. Similar to like shampoos. I need the lather, I need the bubbles. That means it's working for moi. Okay, so anyways, this smells really good. It's like a honey. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you what it is. I don't know. Hold up. It's a product. God damn it, I think it's Creme Nature's Honey Curl Line, because that's what it smells like to me. I don't know. Let me know if I'm tripping. Let's give this 3 more minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it out and then come right back and let you know how it feels and if it look different. I don't know. But we gonna see, okay? Cool. Okay, so I have rinsed out my hair. The thing is, it's called Instant Repair Treatment, and I don't know how instant. I'm not mad at it. I mean, hey, still a little wavy in the front. It says that it's an instant damage repair treatment. Did my light just die? Come back. It's an instant damage. I would give this personally a 6 out of 10. I don't know how many times you have to use it, but it shouldn't say instant because you got my hopes up, baby, and it's not instant, but it's okay. I think we need a lot of protein treatments to reverse this damage. 6 out of 10 for the smell because it smells really good. Technically a 5 for the effects. Now let's keep going. Okay, next up we're going in with a richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. All right, I haven't smelled this. I feel like it all kind of smells the same, but let's see. Yeah, it smells the same. So it still has that honey smell to it. Smells really good. A little edible if you ask me. I'm going to be applying this to my hair. Okay, ultra loaded with moisture to soften, repair, prevent damage, and fix your split ends. Okay, babe, $29. Okay, we're gonna see if this is worth $29, Miss Riri. We love Rihanna, but at the end of the day, we gotta do what's best for our hair specifically. And again, with the instant damage, it's okay. Maiya just needs more intensive repairing situation. Really quickly, it has 5 stars on the website. People are saying it's so good, great so far, and it lives up to its name. It reminds me of a whipped shea butter. Okay, well, let's try it out. Okay, wait. Oh, I see what they mean. Yes, it does feel like a whipped shea butter. It's very thick in texture. It feels good, and I told y'all it smells good already. And you know what's crazy? A little bit goes a long way. Okay, and she also has the flip tops. It's not like the screw top, how everybody else has it. And then you just, boop. Let's put these on the ends first and work our way up. I'm a just in case type of girl. I will put like a whole glob or something on something just in case. Or I'll overpack just in case. You never know. You might need it. So I'm gonna put all this on here. Even a drop of spilt just in case. And we gonna leave this conditioner in here for, I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. Okay? 10 minutes. Alright y'all, so we got a pack of shower caps. So I'm gonna put one on my head, and then we actually have a heated cap that I can actually stimulate my, I guess, curls, hair, make the conditioner go in a little better. I don't know, you tell me what it do, cause it worked. All right, so I'm gonna give this a good 10 minutes. It is currently 5:17. We're gonna wait until 5:27, brush this out, and then we're gonna get into styling. I am noticing a slight difference in my curl. There's way more like bounce back with just the wash, deep condition, and repair. Like, can y'all see that? Can you just see like, my curls are like happy, like they want moisture. And the front just needs some TLC. Personally, my ends don't look as bad as they did. I would give the deep conditioner a 8 out of 10 so far. Really love the texture, really love the smell. Honestly, I give it a 9 out of 10 because my ends don't look as bad. Love the bounce back. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with the home curl, which is the Curl Defining Cream. I'm actually not gonna use a leave-in conditioner, which maybe I should. Only thing I'll be doing is adding some oil towards the end. For today's demonstrative purposes, we're only dealing with FENTY, okay? I'm stupid because I'm over here playing with it and I didn't even section my hair real quick. Hold up. What I'm gonna do is just use the product I got in my hand already, which feels so good. It's so thick, but not like too thick. I love it. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on my ends. Okay, cool. We're good. So what I'll be using today to style my hair, other than the home curl cream, is my handy dandy perm rods. No, I ain't seen nobody use perm rods in a good little minute. Okay, perm rods is given era circa 2015, 2016. Maybe I'm just late on the wave of being a natural curly girl again because maybe I fell off. I don't know. Maybe people using them. I just ain't seen a perm rod in flexies. Yeah, perm. Girl, what I'll be doing is sectioning my hair because I want a side part actually. And then I'm actually gonna section it dead in the center in the back. I'll be using my nails too. Okay, we'll part that in half and then I'll be giving myself a chunk of hair to work with. All right, girl, so now we're about to go in. A little bit goes a long way, so you do not need too much. Trust me, it's gonna be for one. Gonna flip this like this and roll it under and pull this around. Boom. And who gonna check us? Nobody. Okay, real quick before we get the drying, I would actually give this cream so far before the drying process a 9 out of 10. The texture is there, the slip is there. Yeah. I wanna see how our curls pop after we dry everything and pick the curls out. With that being said, the drying process of mine consists of a blow up hair dryer attachment because we do not have a sit under hair dryer. Boo, tomato, tomato, tomato. So we got this thing right here. Looks like a contraption. And you pretty much put this on the edge. Girl, you know what this is. For the girls who don't, you put this on the edge of the blow dryer. Boom, bam, thing on the head. You secure the straps up under so when it blow off looking like an alien, you don't fly away. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. We'll be right back. Whew. Okay, one fell out. This is what it's supposed to look like. The Shirley Temple curve. It's going down. I don't even care anymore. Okay, so I had to diffuse my hair because obviously that little attachment ain't working, but hey, that's not Rihanna's fault, that's mine. This feels like nostalgia. The smells, the feels, the head massages, so natural hair, cult journey, throwbackish. Home curl gets a 10 out of 10. Deep conditioner gets an 8 out of 10. Come back here talking about instant. Nothing instant about this. No offense, I just need some like further get right. And this is just, you know, it's cute. That's my take on Fenty hair. I still recommend it either way. Ooh, hold up. I want y'all to get right. I give the, just based on the styling products itself, I give it a 8 out of 10 overall. Because it got the job done, but I'm not saying that you shouldn't or can't add another product to this. I just decided to do straight Fenty, but that's on me. Definitely mix in your whole little cocktail, see what works. And on that note, this is the finished look. I'm about to go out because we late. Party started at 6, but you know what time we getting there. Not on time. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.